Alright, so we got another quick unboxing video. This time it's the button box from Simcore for your rally style or your deep dish wheel. So definitely like the packaging. So you got a little baggie. Alright, let's take a look at the button box. Got that carbon fiber look to it. I don't know what's that. I guess it's just a little sweaty. So yeah, it's definitely lighter than I thought it was. It's wireless, got a on and off switch. Got your, oh, I guess you just attach your quick release right there. So it doesn't come with a quick release. Put it like that. Alright, so I just gotta figure out how to get it in there. I'll probably get a spacer and then a quick release. That seems like the most obvious thing to do right now.